Hi, Colin with Diode. Excited to introduce our new ditch light bracket kit for the 2010 and up 5th gen Toyota 4Runner. As you can see with their low profile design, even with our pods attached, our ditch lights sit only about an inch over the hood, allowing you to open and close it without hitting anything. Now, these ditch light brackets were CAD designed right here in St. Louis, Missouri, using a thick gauge powder coated stainless steel, which prevents any annoying bouncing or vibration on or off road. We offer this kit in our 6000K cool white or our 3000K selective yellow in either our SS3s or SSC2s. If you do choose our SSC2s, you will have an added feature of a brilliant amber backlight. All of our LED pods utilize our TIR optics, which give you a much more focused and efficient light pattern than some other options on the market. Both our SS3s and our SSC2 kits will come with our combo optic. This combines our driving and our flood patterns to give you a concentrated beam of light downrange and a large area of added fill light. If you're looking to pick up a ditch light bracket kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.